Okay, we're living and learning out on the farm today. We've got a hole in our screen, so we're gonna fix it with a product we found online right here, and it says screen repair tape, and basically it is an adhesive type of tape. So we have taken a piece of screen, and we are in the process now of simply just gonna go ahead and put it up and make sure it just kind of lines up. Again, it's not a large spot, but it has a sticky adhesive, and we're going to put that on there just so that we don't have bugs working their way through. So we're living and learning, praising God always. We're out.